Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to cook the juiciest chicken ribs you've ever tasted. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking some chicken ribs on the Kamado smoker. These are a really quick and easy treat you can cook. They're great for when you're hosting a party, good little appetizer for people. They're small, pretty much suck the chicken straight off that one bone in the middle. They pack heaps of flavor and not a lot of fat on them. So today I'm going to show you how to season these and get them on the grill. We're going to be seasoning these chicken ribs in a honey barbecue rub. This is my favorite thing to put on chicken that I put in my Kamado smoker. It's got a bit of a sweet sort of taste to it and a bit of spice, which sounds weird, but when you mix them together, it works really well. This can be used on pork and chicken. So let's get some of this rub on these chicken ribs and we'll get them on the barbecue. So I like to just put a generous coating on them. Give it all a bit of a rub in to get it to stick. And just flip them over. Alright, so we'll just season the other side of them. That's how you want to season the chicken. This rub's not too salty or anything, so you can put a fair bit of it on. Look at that. Alright, that's all done. Let's go and take these out to the barbecue and we'll get them cooking. Alright guys, for today's cook we're going to be using the Kamado smoker. This does a really good job of cooking any chicken on it. Gives it a nice smoky taste and a nice crispy finish on the chicken. Today we're going to be setting it up with some mallee root charcoal. This is just a normal lumpwood charcoal. This burns really well, it burns slow. It doesn't give off a ridiculous amount of smoke and it leaves a really nice taste. Okay, so with all the old charcoal, I just like to push it. I push it all to the side. Because that will catch on later on during the cook. That will all burn once the center starts burning. Then I just get these wax cube fire lighters. Two of those is enough to start this. We'll light it and make a little pile. And that'll be good to cook on in about 20 or so minutes, maybe half an hour. Okay, so for this cook, I like to just leave that vent all the way open. And I open up the bottom vent all the way. We're cooking with the lid up half the time anyway. We only shut the lid down really if we need to crank the heat up a bit. But during the cook, you can just leave it open. All right, we are cranking hot now, look at that. All right, so I just like to break it up a little bit. Give it a quick scrape. This wasn't too dirty because I cleaned it last time, but I always like to give it another little scrape before the cook. We'll let that preheat for a couple of minutes now, just to get some heat into the grill, and then we'll get some chicken on. Okay, it's time to put these on the grill. If you've ever cooked these, sometimes you can get them and they have a little bit more fat on them. What can happen is the whole barbecue can catch on fire. There's too much fat and too much heat. That's why I was saying cooking on a medium heat tends to work better. Alright, we'll get that lid down and let these cook. Alright, these are cooking away beautifully. Trick with these, keep turning them. Don't just leave them and turn them once or twice because they will burn. It's an easy cook, but it's not the sort of cook you can just walk away from. There's been a few times I've been with some friends and family having a few beers and I've turned my back on this for a minute and then look back and the whole barbecue's on fire. That does it. We're all cooked. Look at that. Let's go and taste these bad boys. Okay guys, these are all cooked. Look at these. Juicy and flavorful. It's time to give these chicken ribs a taste test. Look at that. That is just a little piece of goodness right there. Oh, that rub gets better and better every time I use it. Look at that. You can just suck all the chicken straight off the bone. You can see what I mean when I said they don't go far. I've cooked probably about 30 of them here. And if there's one or two hungry people, they're all going to disappear really fast. Guys, you have to give these a try. I know they're small and they're not really filling, but man, do they have some serious flavour. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and feel free to drop a comment down below and let me know if you guys have cooked any chicken ribs before as well. Click up here for some more videos, and happy grilling, guys.